Howdy, this is Michael Goodgan from reapertrades.com with your Saturday morning mailbag video 2 on the 6th of February 2010. A few more questions for me to answer. First, somebody wanted to know about Canadian-based brokers. I have no clue. I'm not Canadian. I don't have that problem or, well, solution. Canada's a nice place. I've been there. Toronto's a lovely city. I would love to go to Montreal, even though they speak French like crazy people. Il faut faire des choses. Yeah, il faut faire. If you want a Canadian brokerage account, Google Canadian brokerage accounts. I know Thinkorswim has a Canadian subsidiary or affiliate. I don't know if Interactive Brokers does. But just look up all the brokers that I recommend or have talked about and see if they will open up accounts for Canadians. And if you're trying to get around the pattern day trading rule by opening a Canadian account, I don't know if that will work. It might work, might not. But of course, the pattern day trading rule is an American SEC rule and thus doesn't apply to Canadian accounts. At least that's my interpretation. Then another question, or a couple questions here. First, how did I get the nickname Reaper? I sort of gave that to myself just because I like short selling so much. And yeah, and then I dressed up as the Grim Reaper for Halloween one year, and that gave me a nice picture I could use as my avatar. And this other question, related question, not really, short squeeze. What exactly is a short squeeze? People seem to use this term a lot, but does it really apply all the times that they use it? The answer is no, of course not. You can't ever really know if it's a short squeeze, if something's going up because shorts are covering, or if it's going up because there's other people buying. But a true short squeeze will tend to be limited in time, and it'll tend to go up, the stock will tend to go up a whole bunch. And then afterwards it will go back down. But the thing is, it doesn't really matter if it's a real short squeeze or not. What matters is what the stock is doing. So look at the trading, look at the momentum in the stock. I don't care if a stock is going up because a short squeeze, if it's going up because of stupid random momentum traders buying it, or if it's going up because some guru recommends it. If it has momentum, I may be looking to buy it. But I'm never going to buy a stock that's highly shorted just because there's a potential for a short squeeze. Because the research shows, that highly shorted stocks underperform the market in the medium to long term. Why? Because shorts are not idiots. They find the worst stocks to short. So, hope that answers that question. And this is asking about charts and some of the pump plays I do. And I already said before, I'm not answering any more questions on those. I have lost money trying to buy pumps, and I'm not going to talk about the strategy to try to get people to do it or tell you what I do if it's a bad strategy. I'm still going to try to do it because, except for one horrific trade, it's been okay, but I'm not going to talk about it. But a related question with that is sort of more general is, how do I find some of the stocks I find? I'm always looking to trade stocks with momentum. So I look for stocks that are up a bunch. I look for stocks that have high volume. You can use various screening tools to find this stuff during the day and after the market closes too. Another question, this was asked recently. When trading very low-priced OTC stocks primarily, or listed stocks, isn't there a limit to the charge, the commission charge that IB will charge you? Yes, the limit is 0.5% of the trade each way, so you'll never pay more than 1% of the value of the trade round trip. And yeah, that's it. That's very nice. Some other brokerages that are, geared more towards big traders won't have something like that. And the person that asked that question was talking about shorting stocks. Remember, if you're shorting very cheap stocks, you need $2.50 per share in cash to short each share. So that's it for this video. Hope I answer your questions. Send me more. Michael at reapertrades.com.